Hello everyone, this video clip is about the auto door opening function of dishwasher. In recent years, we can see more and more dishwashers with auto door opening function on the market. And the manufacturers usually say this can improve drying. Today, I would like to make a test to know whether this is really helpful. This is my dishwasher, Midea brand. Let's go for a normal wash cycle. Okay, the program finished. Let's have a look. Okay, the basket and dishware is still wet. You see it? Because the self-cleaning program doesn't leave much time for drying. Now let's start another test. This time I will use the same program self-cleaning, but I will open the door to simulate the auto door opening function when there is still 10 minutes left immediately after it enters the drying phase to see if the drying performance will be better. There's 10 minutes left. Let's open the door slightly to simulate auto door opening. Let's see this vapor. 10 minutes later, let's see the drying results. Slightly wet. It's dried on this surface.